have polluted rivers, destroyed forests, and left the earth scarred. But a new report by Pure Earth reveals that the damage runs deeper. Illegal mining has contaminated food and water across several communities with dangerous levels of heavy metals. For years, many believed the threat was local, something they could escape by avoiding food and water from mining zones. But now, the Pure Earth report warns that danger is in the air. According to the Pure Earth report on mercury and other heavy metals impact assessment, air samples taken from some regions recorded mercury concentrations far higher than what is considered safe.
So we have a device called a Jerome. Jerome measures the mercury vapor in the air. And so we hold that, we turn it on, and it's able to tell us, the amount of mercury vapor in the air at that particular time.
Reverend Dr. Esmond Kwanzaa has spent years studying mercury contamination.
Across all these 6 regions, we found mercury in the soil in very, very high levels. We look at mercury also in the air, in almost all the sites. We've seen, the mercury vapor in the air as much as 150.
What worries him most isn't just what happens at mining sites, it's where the danger travels.
We've seen a lot of these sites where, and that's for me my worrying concern, because the gold is extracted from the bush, then they bring this amalgam to the community to burn, where there are a lot of homes. I mean, if you go to Obuasi, for example, you can see some of these activities also happening, not far from Nyame Bechere, where we did some of the work as well. So this is really concerning.
When mercury is heated, it turns into vapor, a gas that is both colorless and odorless. But the moment it's inhaled, it becomes a toxin the body cannot handle. To understand the impact, I spoke with Dr. Denzel Tay, a medical doctor at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital.
Now, when you inhale mercury, you inhale something we call elemental mercury. And one of the first things it does is that it goes to your lungs, where it can cause all manner of complications. Unlike other minerals like zinc and iron, your body can use those minerals. But when it comes to mercury, it's purely toxic. Your body has no use for it, and so it begins a process that can lead to death.
He explains that while mercury in food or water is dangerous, inhaling the vapor is far worse, a point echoed by senior lecturer and health toxicologist Dr. John Ako Mensah of the University of Ghana School of Public Health.
In the study of poisons, that is called toxicology, the route of exposure is very important. So some things, because elemental mercury, when you eat it, actually it doesn't do much to the body. But when you inhale it, it's a different thing altogether. When you inhale vapor, mercury vapor, then the effect can be immediate. And the danger is that when it gets into blood, it's able to cross membranes and actually even cross 2 barriers that are regulated in the body, the blood-brain barrier and the placental barrier.
And it's not just the miners who are exposed. Even those miles away breathe the same toxic air.
You don't smoke cigarettes, but you live with someone who smokes cigarettes. You inhale the same fumes and whatever. So it's the same thing. So the communities can be equally affected as those who are doing it.
Illegal mining may be filling pockets with gold, but it's also filling lungs with poison. The mercury vapor that miners breathe today will linger in the air long after the last pit is dug. And if the burning continues, no one, not even those far from the mines, will truly be safe. Mercury, the invisible price of gold, is now the poison in the air we all share. This story was a collaboration with New Narratives. Funding was provided by the Clean Air Fund, which had no say in the story's content. For Joy News, Michael Ashali.